We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Hello student, myself Professor Madhuri Parekh, Computer Engineering Department from AIT College. Today I will explain the topic that is multiprocessor. First, what is multiprocessor? Multiprocessor is a computer system with 2 or more central processing units share full access to common RAM. The main objective of using a multiprocessor is to boost the system execution speed with other objective being fault tolerance and application matching. There are 2 types of multiprocessor. One is called shared memory multiprocessor and another is distributed memory multiprocessor. In shared memory multiprocessor, all the CPUs share the common memory, but in distributed memory multiprocessor, every CPU has its own private memory. यहाँ पर हमने जो बात की है वो मल्टी प्रोसेसर की बात की है। मल्टी प्रोसेसर का मतलब होता है कि जो कंप्यूटर सिस्टम है उस कंप्यूटर सिस्टम 2 और 2 से ज्यादा सीपीयू अपनी जो कॉमन रैम है वो शेयर करता है, जिसको हम बोलते हैं मल्टी प्रोसेसर। ये मल्टी प्रोसेसर के 2 टाइप होते हैं। First is shared memory multiprocessor and another is a distributed memory multiprocessor. The application of multiprocessor as a uniprocessor such as single instruction, single data stream, as a multiprocessor such single instruction, multiple data stream, which is usually used for vector processing. Multiple series of instruction in a single perspective such as multiple instruction, single data stream, which is used for describing hyper threading or pipeline processor. Inside a single system for executing multiple individual series of instruction in multiple perspectives such as multiple instruction, multiple data stream. The benefit of multiprocessor is enhanced performance, multiple application, multitasking inside an application, high throughput and responsiveness, hardware sharing among the CPUs. So multiprocessors are further classified into groups depending on the way their memory is organized. यहाँ पर मेमोरी को कैसे ऑर्गेनाइज्ड करते हैं उसके अकॉर्डिंग 2 उसके ग्रुप्स डिवाइड होते हैं. The processor with shared memory are called tightly coupled or shared memory processor. The information in this processor is shared through the common memory. यहाँ पर बात की है कि जो टाइटली कपल्ड प्रोसेसर या शेयर्ड मेमोरी प्रोसेसर है उसमें मेमोरी को शेयर किया जाता है यूजिंग ऑफ कॉमन मेमोरी. Each of the processor can also have their local memory too. The other class of multiprocessor is loosely coupled or distributed memory multiprocessor. In this, each processor have their own private memory and they share information with each other through interconnection switching scheme or message passing. यहाँ पर जो बात की है वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड मेमोरी मल्टीप्रोसेसर की बात की है, जिसमें मेमोरी है वो कॉमन मेमोरी शेयर नहीं होती है. हर एक सीपीयू के पास अपना खुद की मेमोरी होती है और वो मेमोरी इंटरकनेक्ट होके इंफॉर्मेशन ट्रांसफर करती है, इसलिए उसको बोलते हैं डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड मेमोरी प्रोसेसर और उसको बोलते हैं लूजली कपल्ड प्रोसेसर. तो यहाँ पर कंप्यूटर सिस्टम नीड्स buses to facilitate the transfer of information between its various components. For example, even in a uniprocessor system, if the CPU has to access a memory location, it sends the address of the memory location on the address bus. This address activates a memory chip. The CPU then sends a read signal through the control bus, in the response of which memory puts the data on the address bus. This address activates a memory chip. The CPU then sends a read signal through the control bus, in the response of which memory puts the data on the data bus. Similarly, in a multiprocessor system, if any processor has to read a memory location from shared areas, it follows the similar kind of figure. There are buses that transfer data between the CPUs and memory. These are called memory buses. An I/O buses is used to transfer data to and from input and output device. A bus that connects major component in a multiprocessor system such as CPUs, I/Os, and memory is called a system bus. A processor in a multiprocessor system requests the access of component through the system bus. In case there is no processor accessing the bus at that time, it is given then control of the bus immediately. If there is a second processor utilizing the bus, then the processor has to wait for the bus to the free. Multi-port memory organization. Multi-port memory system employs separate buses between each memory module and its CPU. The module must have internal control logic to determine which port will have access to memory at any given time. Memory access conflicts are resolved by assigning fixed priorities to each memory port. Advantages: the high transfer rate can be achieved because of multiple paths. Disadvantage: it requires expensive memory control logic and a large number of cables and connection. यहाँ पर मल्टीपोर्ट मेमोरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की बात कैसे की है कि अगर ये शेयर्ड मेमोरी है तो शेयर्ड मेमोरी अपनी इंफॉर्मेशन सीपीयू के पास कैसे भेजती है, उसके लिए यहाँ पर मल्टी पोर्ट मेमोरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का यूज होता है। तो उससे क्या होता है कि उसका जो ट्रांसफर रेट है वो ज्यादा हो जाता है, और उसका डिसएडवांटेज ये है कि यहाँ पर नंबर ऑफ केबल्स और इंटरकनेक्शंस जो कंट्रोल है वो ज्यादा आते हैं। दैट मीन्स कि जो एक्सपेंसिव है वो ज्यादा हो जाता है अकॉर्डिंग टू द हार्डवेयर साइड। तो यहाँ पर ये जो फिगर है वो फिगर हमें पर्टिकुलर नंबर ऑफ सीपीयूज कैसे कनेक्ट होते हैं मेमोरी के साथ वो दिखाया गया है। यहाँ पर हम बात करते हैं क्रॉस बार स्विच। जैसे हमने पहले में देखा मल्टीपोर्ट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में कि डिसएडवांटेज क्या है कि देयर इज अ नंबर ऑफ इंटरकनेक्शंस आर कॉम्प्लेक्स, so consist of a number of cross points that are placed at interconnection between the processor buses and memory module part. The small square in each cross point is a switch that determines the path from a processor to a memory module. तो यहाँ पर क्या किया है, मेमोरी मॉड्यूल है वो डायरेक्टली सीपीयू के साथ कनेक्ट होने की जगह पर एक स्विच के साथ कनेक्ट होता है, और अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट स्विच इट कैन कनेक्ट विथ अ CPU. इसका एडवांटेज क्या है, सपोर्ट साइमल्टेनियस ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम ऑल मेमोरी मॉड्यूल. Disadvantage: the hardware required to implement the switch can become quite large and complex. Here the figure shows the functional design of crossbar switch connected to one memory module. Now we see the differences between loosely coupled and tightly coupled. तो यहाँ पर हम देख सकते हैं कि लूजली कपल्ड में फर्स्ट जो डिफरेंस है वो क्या है। लूजली कपल्ड दैट मीन्स व्हाट, देयर इज अ डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड मेमोरी इन लूजली कपल्ड मल्टी प्रोसेसर सिस्टम। टाइटली कपल्ड में क्या है, देयर इज शेयर्ड मेमोरी इन टाइटली कपल्ड मल्टी प्रोसेसर सिस्टम। तो जो मेमोरी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड होती है उसको हम लूजली कपल्ड बोलते हैं, और जो मेमोरी शेयर्ड होती है उसको हम बोलते हैं टाइटली कपल्ड। Second, loosely coupled multiprocessor system has low data rate when tightly coupled multiprocessor system has a high data rate. Third, the cost of loosely coupled multiprocessor system is less. Tightly coupled multiprocessor system is more costly. In loosely coupled multiprocessor system, modules are connected through message transfer system network, while the loose tightly coupled multiprocessor is connected with PMIN, IOPIN, and ISIN network. Fifth, in loosely coupled multiprocessor, memory conflicts do not take place, while tightly coupled multiprocessor system have memory conflict. Lo- Sixth, loosely coupled multiprocessor system has low degree of interaction between tasks, where tightly coupled multiprocessor system has a high degree of interconnection between the tasks. Seventh, in loosely coupled multiprocessor, there is a direct connection between processor and I/O device, while in a tightly coupled multiprocessor, I/O pin helps the connection between processor and I/O device. Application of loosely coupled multiprocessor are in distributed computing system. Application of tightly coupled multiprocessor are in a parallel processing system. तो यहाँ पर हमने सीखा कि मल्टी प्रोसेसर क्या है, अगर मल्टी प्रोसेसर में शेयर्ड मेमोरी करना है या डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड मेमोरी करना है तो उसके लिए हम मेमोरी मल्टी पोर्ट का भी यूज कर सकते हैं और क्रॉस बार स्विचेस का भी यूज कर सकते हैं। और इस वीडियो में हमने देखा कि there are the number of differences between loosely coupled and tightly coupled. I think all of you cleared the main topic, that is a multiprocessor. If you have any query and if you have any doubt, then ask me in my WhatsApp number or in my email address. Thank you very much.